Welcome to the Draw Team.
Today we are gonna draw a house and a tree.
So let's
get started. And we're gonna need a pencil because we're gonna be erasing some stuff. Make sure you have an eraser.
So first we're going to draw like a box of the house. You're going to draw that in older.
I'm gonna draw.
I'm going to draw that.
Kind of like a cube.
Yeah, like a cube. And then what you're going to do after that, you have a point up there, and it's going to come a little farther in. And then you're going to have touching that point and a little farther.
Yep.
Right after that, you're going to connect that point
It's
to
like
that.
a cube, but it has like a triangle like going up. And then we're gonna go and draw like that.
And then after that, you're going to draw like a line sticking up from the house. Like right to the corner, and put up, and then another line up, and then another line up farther.
And we're gonna connect
And
that and connect that in.
And then another line
And
there,
connect that in there.
that, and then that right
And
there.
we're gonna,
Ooh,
and
yeah,
we're gonna-
doggy. Then after that,
and we're gonna connect.
draw a little line, and then and draw
Duck. Little duck.
as dark as your pencil can go. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna
Draw a line right here.
wait. I didn't
And
do
a
it.
line right here. And a line right there. And a line right there.
After that,
After that,
I'm gonna draw a curve
draw
right there, and then
one
a window. That's supposed to be a window.
and connect.
Like two lines.
Draw
Another line right there
two
for the
lines.
two windows, and then you're gonna draw a line.
And you're gonna draw
And a dot right there. Then
doorknob.
yep, a little tiny dawn circle. I don't know what that was. Okay, you're gonna draw two lines for a big window. It's a big, huge window. Like a big, fat, chubby square. Then after that, I'm gonna draw one brick, and then
Like a line.
and you're gonna go down and draw a line right there.
Draw
There.
there. It's kind of like that. I'm gonna draw like the wood. I'm gonna draw a big line and a little line and then a little line, a little line, a little line. And then we're gonna draw a lot right there, and right there, and right there, and right there.
Tiny
Right there.
little line.
And line right there. And line right there.
Oh,
There.
there's tons of lines. There's tons of
There.
lines. There's so much
There.
lines
Line right
everywhere.
there.
So much lines everywhere. Why is there so
Line
much
there.
lines? I
Right
don't
there.
know.
Right there. Right there.
Okay. Then you're gonna draw a fuzzy,
Then-
furry man. But a fuzzy,
Then-
furry
Okay,
tree.
we're actually drawing a tree.
Not a fuzzy, furry, happy.
Yeah, free tree.
It's a big fat tree. Oh. Oh, not even like that. Okay. Oh, I need to see that. Yeah, I'm gonna draw a line in like I showed you. there. Then you can draw it on out and then in and then round it out. After that, you're gonna draw a line coming in there to the tree. And then
Tree?
a line and then and then it's almost a full tree.
Yeah.
I got stuff.
And how about we add a couple things?
Maybe we can draw a fence.
Well,
Well,
let's wait for a little bit.
yeah, let's wait a little bit until we finish the tree's fluffy, fluffy head. Okay, now I'm gonna draw that. Okay, now after that, this is what we are talking about.
We're gonna draw a fence.
Yeah.
A line.
And then that line, we're gonna try to imagine it going through the tree. Then you're gonna draw another line right there, and then go like that. And then you measure so you can see that. And you're gonna draw
Line.
for the tree. It's smaller because it goes through the tree, and then it's bigger as you go up from the tree.
Then we're gonna like this.
You're gonna draw. Oops. You're gonna draw so much little lines right there. And
We're gonna connect them with triangles.
a little triangle there, and triangle there, and triangle there, triangle there, and triangle there. And you're gonna erase. Okay, now you're gonna draw back up your lines if you accidentally erased them. Which I did. I didn't accidentally. I did it because I was gonna erase it.
Then I'm gonna
Draw two lines right
so
there.
fence is coming from draw right.
Then what you're gonna do, the same points. Points like we did, right there. And then after that, you're gonna erase that what you did.
We're gonna add a sidewalk and a flower and some flowers to the house.
So right in the door, you're gonna start with a pathway. Come there.
A pathway.
And then you're gonna draw little wooden things like that. Do wooden things. Then you're gonna erase.
Alright.
Okay. So after this, we're gonna draw a circle
A
with
circle.
some buds around it. Like flower pebbles. Petals. You might not have room, so you're gonna have to put a little flower that didn't grow as much. And then, whoa, that's a lot of flowers he had there. I'm not gonna put that much. I can't put that much. Too much for my house. My house would like to have that much flowers on it. Okay. Some stems on your flowers.
We're gonna draw a cloud.
And right, and another big guy. Some of this stuff inside of it.
Let's add a little grass.
Okay, so after that, we're gonna draw like some pebbles,
Lines.
some grass, floppy line, some grass. Got grass somewhere. It won't be good properly.
Then we're gonna draw. Oh wait, we're actually done. That's how you draw a house and a tree.
This Draw Kids is dedicated to Soraya.
Yep. Bye. Bye. Have fun. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please subscribe for more.